Right, so a pretty cool parcel has arrived today. Been waiting for this for quite a while now. It's quite a big box. I've got something pretty cool in this box. I can't wait to install this. It's one of them things that you're either going to love or you're going to hate. But let's unbox this. I hope it's what it is anyway. There it is. So this is the BMW M3 LTW style wing. So it's actually an OEM style wing. It's not sort of some aftermarket one. So look pretty nice. Comes with all the hardware as well. But yeah, it's really nice actually. Some of the cheaper ones, they just don't fit properly. They all just have terrible fitment. But this one is really nice. It all lines up really well. Very flush. It does need a sand because obviously it's just in raw ABS plastic, so you need to get rid of the mold marks a little bit, these lines. Bit of a sand, some primer, and then should be nice to put on the car. What I'm going to do now, this is just resting at the moment. I'm going to bolt it together and then we'll go put it on the car, see what it looks like. So I've just roughly bolted it up. Some of the bolts they supply could do with being a little bit longer. These could do with being a little bit longer. They do work, but they don't go in very far, so I might get some longer ones just to be on the safe side. Also, I have a few of these. I've bought a few of these spoilers. So if anyone wants to buy one of these spoilers, just message me on Instagram here, or I'll probably put the link to where you can buy them in the description of this video as well. It was quite hard to find one of these, so when I did find some, I just thought I'm gonna order a few and then other people can have some as well. Sheesh, it's looking fresh. Damn. Anything is underneath, it's a bit rough. So break it. So we need to sort that out first, because when we removed the previous spoiler, it's a bit messy underneath. So I think we're going to sand it down and paint that. Looking fresh. It's gonna look sick. So we're just flattening this down quick, get rid of the lumps. Roscoe is actually doing some work. Okay. Yeah. Let's get in there, just build up layers. I'm gonna start sanding this down now. Started to put the velvet blue on. Let's get in there, just doing loads of layers now. Sanding away on these. It's like never ending. Also I've got some plastic filler because I don't know if you can see that, but there's some lines here and I can't get them out, so I'm just going to put some filler over it and then sand it down, make it look better. It's getting there though, it's just so much sanding. So I just peeled the tape off, but as you can see, it's not a very good match. Oh god. I think we're just going to paint the spoiler anyway. If it sticks out too much, we'll just have to, I don't know, to be honest. So this colour's way more purple, this is way more blue. Definitely can see it on the camera as well. Alright, so we've got them all sanded down now, roughly. Not that perfect, but time to put some primer on it. I'm just going to smash into each other. Thin layer on it first. Stop moving. Time to paint the whole spoiler in the wrong colour. Mate, this paint looks sick. This is a very faint coat to start with. So this is actually day 3 of painting. We came yesterday, primed them, but we ran out of paint. Got some more today. Velvet blue. This one looks more correct to the car, so I don't know, because this one was too purple, the original one, and this one's more blue. I mean, you can't tell on there, but it looks better, so let's try it. It's from a different person. The other one went away on holiday, so fun times. Another coat to go, but it's getting there. It's a bit drying up, a bit patchy, but it's getting there. So we just finished, well, we just put the lacquer on now. Looks alright. I mean, I don't think it's perfect. There's only like one drip or something, but obviously it's not dry yet. But it's not bad, not bad. Leave it overnight and then see what it looks like. Alright, so the wing is all painted. It actually colour matched this time. Pretty perfect, to be honest. So I'll have to redo that bit under there because that was with the other paint. Now, got to drill the holes. I'm going to push down onto some of this and hopefully it shows me where the holes are. Here we go. So that's where the holes need to go. Much easier. Perfect. Right, so we've test fitted the bottom base now. All the bolts line up, so now we just need to put this together and then put it back on. Right, so the spoiler is all together now. It was quite a pain because the ones they send with it just weren't going in nice. I had to dig through some bolts. And to get these in was a bit of a mission, but it's all together now. Now I'll put it on the car. There she is. Jeez. It's looking fresh. I'll get some better clips of it in a bit. Right, so that is it for this week's video. Quite a lot of work involved to install that, to be fair, but it's definitely worth it. I mean, the paint job we might redo at some point just because we rushed it to get to the car meet. Could do with some more bits of lacquer, and we ran out of the velvet blue as well, so I mean, it's alright. It's a drift car, so it's not going to be perfect. I'm not a professional painter, as you've seen, but overall it turned out pretty decent, I think. Yeah, if you want one, I might still have one available, so message me on Instagram or the link will be down below. It looks proper good though. I'm proper happy with how it looks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.